Sinahi magazine for the blind.
So in today's lesson, we'll take nouns, types of nouns in English. Do you know what do we mean by nouns? What's a noun?
I can answer. الاسم.
Can I answer?
Can I answer? Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? Yes, Alind.
قلت هي اسم، يعني معناها اسم noun، يعني معناها بالعربي اسم.
Yeah. Name, we say. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Alind. Who can answer in English?
What's the question?
Can I?
What do we mean by a noun? What is a noun? How can we define a noun in English?
Noun. Noun is a people noun or animals noun or plant noun.
Okay, good.
It's a subject. Simple
Name.
noun. Oh, simple noun. Name. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Sylvie.
Thank you.
So a noun refers to loads of things, many things, okay? It can refer to people, okay? Like boy, girl, man, Susie, Alan, Jane, okay? And it can refer to things and animals, like pen, chair, cat, horse, dog. A noun also refers to an event, like a conference, a party, a lesson, and also to a quality, okay, like intelligence, courage, height, or even a substance like water, wood, silver, and so on. Therefore, a noun is the name of something, somebody, a place, or an idea. Okay? A noun is the name of a person, a thing, a place, or an idea. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, these nouns are organized by type, okay? We can organize these nouns by type, and it is useful to help us with the grammar, okay? Grammar rules, okay? And there are 3 common methods to organize nouns by type. And these are proper nouns versus common nouns, countable versus non-countable nouns, concrete versus abstract nouns. These are the 3 common dimensions of organizing nouns by type. And in fact, we have another type, okay? And this is compound versus collective nouns. I'll explain each type in detail. Let's begin with the first one, proper nouns versus common nouns. Proper nouns refer to people or places in particular, okay? The names of people, things, or places in particular when we are specifying the person, the thing, or the place we're talking about. And they always have a capital letter at the beginning, okay? They are always capitalized in the beginning. These are nouns like Spain. This is the name of a place, Spain. I'm talking about a place in particular. and in this case, it is Spain. Alps. Alps are the mountains in France, Switzerland, Italy, and Austria, I think. Jane, okay, the name of a person. I'm talking about a girl in particular, Jane. So common nouns, on the other hand, are all the other, okay? When we are talking about a noun, a person, a thing, a place in general, we don't specify, okay? Like, for example, city, we don't mention the name of the city. It can be London, it can be Dhuk, it can be, I don't know, anywhere, any city. And for example, the name of a thing, the name of a person, boy, girl, without calling this person with their proper name, with their first name, for example. Okay, boy, girl, it can be boy, it can be Alan, girl, it can be, I don't know, Shirin, for example. Do you understand this, the difference between proper nouns and common nouns?
I understood.
Yes, I understood.
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, good. And by the way, common nouns don't take or don't get a capital letter in the beginning, okay? Man, it's not a big M, it's a small m. On the contrary, proper nouns always have a capital letter in the beginning, are capitalized. When we write Spain, the S must be capitalized, okay, a big S. When we write the name of a person, for example, let's say Bill, for example, the letter B must be capitalized. But if it is a common noun, the first letter does not get a capital. Let's move on now to the second type of nouns, and this is the countable versus non-countable nouns. We mean by countable or countable nouns are all the nouns that we can count. For example, I can say 1 cat, 2 cats, 3 cats, 1,000,000 cats, okay? And they have a singular and a plural form, okay? But non-countable nouns are the nouns that we can't count. They don't have a singular, a plural form. We can't say, for example, sugar, okay? Can't say 1 sugar, 2 sugars, 3 sugars, okay? We can say some sugar, but not 1, 3. We can't count countable nouns because they are not separate objects. Is it okay? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so again, we've seen so far what do we mean by a noun, and we've said that a noun refers to the name of a person, a thing, a place, or an idea. And
Sorry, Miss.
yeah,
Miss, can you repeat just about uncountable noun? Yeah.
I'll give you an example. Rice, the word rice. Do you know what do we mean by rice? We eat rice.
Yeah.
Yeah. We can't say rices. We can't count this noun, this word, okay? We can't say 1 rice, 2 rices, 3 rices, and so forth, okay? But we say some rice, not in the plural. It doesn't have, okay? Non-countable nouns are the nouns that we can't count. They don't have a plural form. You can say, I have, or I ate many rices. That's not correct. You can say, I ate 2 dishes of rice, but not 2 rices. Is it okay now, Shajan?
Yeah, miss. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, welcome. I'm here to help. How about the others? Do you have questions?
I don't have any question.
Me
Okay.
too.
So we said nouns are categorized three main types, or to three common types. We've seen the first, two ones, and these are proper nouns versus common nouns. And a proper noun is a noun that refers to a person, a thing, a place, or an idea in particular. When we specify, okay, the person, when we are talking about a person, a specific, okay, person, thing, or place, like Spain, France, Algeria, okay, these are the nouns of the names, of places. And a proper noun can be also a name of a person, like you, for example, your names, Susie, Sumaya, Shajan, Shirin, Muhammad, Basar. Is it okay? And common nouns are the nouns of people, things, places in general. Example, continent. I'm not talking about a specific continent, but I said continent. Do you know what do we mean by continent? Continent like Asia, Africa, Australia, Europe. When I say continent, this is a common noun. It's a generic term, a general noun. But when I say Asia, this is a proper noun. I'm talking about referring, to a particular, okay, to a specific continent. We have 5 continents, 5 in total, and Asia is one of them. Is it okay up to now?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Great, okay. Then we have the second dimension, or the second type, the second method of organizing nouns by type. And this is the countable versus non-countable nouns. Countable, we can count. We can have the plural form for the noun, like pen, pens. I'm talking about one pen, a pen. I have a pen. I have 13 pens, okay? Non-countable nouns, however, are the nouns that they don't have, okay? They don't have a plural form. We can't say, as I said, for example, milk. Milk, we don't say 1 milk, 3 milks. You say 2 liters of milk, okay? That's not correct, because it is a non-countable noun. The third type of nouns is concrete versus abstract nouns. Concrete, we mean by concrete nouns, all the nouns that we can see and touch. They have physical existence. Concrete nouns are all the nouns that have physical existence. This means we can see and touch, like bed, book, computer, okay? However, abstract nouns are the concepts, the emotions, the ideas, like justice. We can't touch justice. We perceive justice with our mind, but we don't touch it. We don't feel we don't see justice. These are the nouns that they don't have. It's the opposite. They don't have physical existence. Is it okay? This is the third type, concrete versus abstract. Concrete nouns, they have physical existence in reality, like chair, table, lamp, okay? But abstract nouns, they don't have physical existence. They don't exist in reality, but we can perceive them either perceive them or feel them. We perceive concepts like freedom, justice, and we feel emotions like love, hate, fear. Is it okay?
Okay. Yes.
يعني
it's
هي
okay.
مثل
Yes.
تورينا إنه إحنا
Okay, teacher.
Who has questions?
I don't have any question.
Me too.
Okay. So let's move on to the fourth type of nouns, and this is compound versus collective nouns. Compound nouns are the nouns that are made up of more than one word. Okay? Pen is a noun, but it is not a compound noun because it is made up of only one word, pen. But bedroom is a compound noun. It has more than one word. Bed is the first word, and room is the second word. It has two words. It is composed of two words. So this is what we mean by compound words or nouns. Are the nouns that are made up of, composed of, consist of more than one word. 2, 3, okay? Collective nouns are the nouns that refer to groups of people or animals. For example, team, the word team, flock, herd, okay? Team, one word, okay? But it has a group of people. For example, another example, herd. A herd of cows is one word. It's a noun that refers to a group of cows, a group of animals. A flock of birds. It's a group of birds flying together in the sky. A flock. Is it okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So compound nouns are the nouns that are made up of more than one word. They refer to one entity, to one thing, but they consist of more than one word. Like washing machine, bedroom, living room, etc. And collective nouns is the type of nouns that refers to groups of people, things, or animals like team, staff, herd, flock. Okay? Do you have any questions?
I don't have any question.
Okay.
Can you repeat just يعني أسماء يعني مو هي انقسمت إلى 3 أقسام يعني countable and countable بس يعني هيك أريد أحفظها على مود هيك فنسيتها.
Just a second.
Okay.
I that, but I remember something that some compound nouns have a hyphen. Okay, they are not written one word. Like bedroom, we write it one word, bedroom. There's no hyphen in between the words bed and room, but there are some compound nouns that get a hyphen between the first, second, and third words. Like, for example, there's some compound nouns receive or have a hyphen between the first word and the second, or the first, the second, and the third. Depends on the number of the words. How many words are there in the compound noun? Like dry cleaning, DRY hyphen, okay? Then cleaning, CLEANING. And it is a type of cleaning that is done with chemicals, okay? We have also father-in-law, father-in-law, FATHER hyphen INN hyphen LAW, W. Okay? A father-in-law is the father of the wife or the husband. If you are married, okay, your husband's father or your wife's father is your father-in-law. So today we saw together types of nouns, okay? We defined first what do we mean by a noun, and a noun refers to the name of a person, a thing, a place, or an idea. And we said that in English, we categorize nouns by type into 3 dimensions, okay? Or there are 3 methods or dimensions to categorize nouns by type. The first one is proper nouns and common nouns. And we said that proper nouns are the particular names of somebody, something, somewhere, a place. Common nouns are the general names of somebody, something, or somewhere. Okay, an example of a proper noun. David is a person's name. The UK, it's a place name. Okay, and for example, an animal, you have a pet and you gave him the name of, let's say, for example, Bob. Okay, you have a cat, a male cat, and you give him the name of Bob. So Bob is a proper noun, but cat is a common noun. And the second category or type is countable and non-countable or uncountable nouns. Countable, like pencil, bag, 1 bag, 2 bags, we can count them. They are separate objects. Non-countable nouns is just the opposite, okay? We can't count them. Milk, sugar, coffee. The third one, the third type, the third class of nouns is called concrete versus abstract. Concrete nouns are the nouns that we can touch, we can find in reality. They have existence in reality, they exist. But abstract nouns is the opposite. They don't have physical existence in reality. Then the last type, the fourth and last type, is compound versus collective nouns. A compound noun is any noun that is made up of one word, more than one word, 2 or 3. Collective nouns refer to groups of people, like audience, staff, animals like herd and flock. Is it okay?
It's okay. Yes, it's okay.
Yes.
Yeah, and collective nouns can be in the plural form. They can have a plural form, like team, teams. But staff, no, we don't say staffs, no. Teams, flocks, okay? Is it okay concerning today's lesson?
Okay.
Yes, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So
Okay, teacher.
I'll give you some nouns, okay? And you are going to be divided into 2 teams. And I say the noun, you say if it is a common noun, a proper noun, a countable, and non-countable.
Yes.
Shireen,
Yes.
Shajan,
Yes.
Sumaya Ismail,
Yes.
Sumaya Ismail. Who else? Rahima.
She
And
can't talk, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I forgot.
And we are 10.
Heavy. So
Yes.
you are Shajan, Shireen, Heavy,
Sumaya
Sumaya.
Sumaya Ismail, 4, and Pasar.
Oh.
Yes, I am here.
Alan, Susie, Jilan,
برهان
Burhan,
محمد.
join Shirin. Shaja,
نعم.
okay? The one who is
نعم.
100% of sure about the answer, okay? The correct answer, he will answer. Give the answer to me. Muhammad, Sumaya, Alan, Susie. Jilan, I'm gonna give you the first word. Argentina. Is it, what type of noun is
Proper
this?
noun.
proper noun.
Shirin, you are a bit late, Alan. Okay. 1 point for Shirin and her team. Okay. Lady. Woman.
Proper noun.
Common noun.
Proper noun.
Common noun.
Common.
Common.
Yeah.
Common.
Shirin
Yes.
and
No,
Two.
yeah.
Common noun, common noun, common noun.
Common noun.
I first. Okay.
bathroom. Bathroom. What is it?
Compound, compound.
Hey, the other team.
Like me, I think.
Sally is the name of a person.
Common.
Proper.
No, no.
Proper
No.
noun. Good.
Proper noun,
Proper
proper
noun.
noun.
Okay.
باش تجاوبتي.
I missed. Yes.
Yeah.
هذي خزيرك عيبي يا فريق ما.
Grup akan cekal kedua sama kam guru.
جروبي ألندو أوانا يسوزيان.
Yes,
Is
Okay.
yes, teacher.
newborn.
Compound, compound.
Others, are you? Hey, wake up. The second team. This one, is it a concrete noun or an abstract noun? The noun I'm giving now, is it a concrete noun or an abstract noun? Justice.
Abstract.
Abstract.
Yes, teacher.
What?
Can you repeat me,
Alan,
please,
you
teacher?
said, no, just a second. Alan, you said abstract?
I think.
It's okay. The point is
For Alan.
the other team, the second team has got this point. Okay, so 5-1. Oh my god. Okay. I give you another one. Is it accountable or non-countable, this one?
Okay. Okay, miss.
Yes, teacher.
Just a second. Cheese.
Not countable. Not countable.
Alan, والله
والله ما
You
أعرف
said
شو صار لي
not.
اليوم.
I heard.
ما أعرف شو صار
Countable,
لي
countable.
Non-countable.
أنا بالاستعجال.
أجاب Alan قال not. I heard him.
Not. If you say piece of.
ما أعرف اليوم شو صار لي. أنا بالاستعجال اتخربط شوي.
It's correct, Alan. This one, is it a common noun or proper noun? I'll give you the noun. Africa.
Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Oh, proper noun.
6-2. So game is over. The winner team is Shirin's team. Congrats.
Yes, yes, yes.
Clap your hands. Sinahi magazine for the blind.